Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and I'm here to announce the beginning of my Patreon account. As you guys can see in here, it's now live, and I just decided to do this now because I get so many emails every day of you guys that want to become my students. And I'm just like reaching to a point that I can't physically just have so many people as a student. So I decided to start my Patreon account just because I really understand the struggle that most of you guys are facing. You know, you want to get your first job as a web developer, and I think that this could be like a good way for you guys to see how a real project is being built. So basically, with this Patreon account, I'm planning to do is now live, so you guys can just like go and subscribe to it. I'm planning like now once a month I will build like a website and with HTML and CSS responsive and a JavaScript like feature that you guys can use, and all of these like in a kind of a real project that you guys could build in an actual company. So I think this would be good for me as well, because if I'm gonna put all the time like this kind of content on my channel, there is not gonna be like many people watching it, maybe, I don't know. But if you guys really like my content, you can support me here on Patreon. And I think this should be fun, you know. If you guys look in here at the options that I put in here, I just put something like $7. You can get access to a website tutorial where I will build like a website every month. I will build a different website with HTML and CSS and responsive, so you guys will have access to the video tutorial, to all the files. And then for $10, basically it's just like with the $10 you get all the HTML website, the responsive website, plus a JavaScript feature application that I can put on top of that website. Obviously this is just for people who want to learn JavaScript. But I'm gonna be doing all these tutorials like completely from scratch, like if you don't know anything, like in all my videos that you have seen before. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna put the link down in the description, so you can guys go and have a look. So yeah, like I said, like I really understand all the struggle that you guys are facing, and this is some kind of projects that you guys can even put on your portfolio, you know. And I can even build some kind of websites, kind of portfolio as well, that you guys can use for yourself. I think this is a kind of win-win situation. And yeah, if you guys think it's worth it and you like the way that I teach, just go over to my Patreon account, and this is going to be a way as well, like to kind of motivate me to do more and more tutorials for you guys. So yeah, hopefully you guys will like this, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Go to my Patreon account there and check the features that I have in here, and just make sure that if you can support me. If you can't support me in here, I will love you anyway. Just watch my videos regularly that I post on YouTube. I'm still gonna make some tutorials on my YouTube channel, but it's not going to be so many as in the Patreon. I will plan to make it like at least once or twice a month, like two kind of projects or once. I will see how it goes, but yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you will like this, and I'll see you in the next video.